All right, mi gente, guys, we just finished wrapping up again and again and again. Another one. That's right, we're here in Hempstead, New York, South Hempstead to be exact, and we just finished installing a EG-45, a gas steam boiler with a hot water coil for a hot water zone. So, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Listen, hey, this guy just took my breath away. Guys, detail matters. I cannot have stressed enough how important it is to pay attention to detail. As you guys can see in this boiler, everything is a little tight. We're limited in room because we have to figure out where to put the expansion tank. We got to figure out where we're going to put the air separator. And we got to figure out where everything is going to go, especially in a short space. And the guys, listen, very intelligente, guys. You tell me what you think. Take a look at the video. Drop me a comment. Let me know. Wepa. All right, guys, you notice that it's very messy right now in the boiler room, but guys, we're almost there. We're wrapping things up right now, and we're at the tail end of the actual installation. So right now, you can see my guy, Leo, who's in front of the boiler. He's about to replace the drain cock for a relief valve. He made a mistake. We're going to fix that momentarily. And guys, this is what I say. Pay attention to detail. You notice that the on and off switch is on the top, on the left-hand side. Notice that expansion tank is right dead center in the middle. We had to make a hole on top of the actual the hood of the boiler. I will say the boiler jacket or the cover, whatever you guys want to call it. All right, guys, notice that Tony right now is finished wrapping things up. We got to pay attention to detail. They made a slight little boo-boo, a little mistake, meaning that they put a drain cock on the coil. It is a hot water zone, so we have to put a relief valve, a 30-pound relief valve, because although it's a steam boiler, the hot water coil, we're not using it for domestic hot water. We're using it for a hot water zone. So it's the actual zone for the basement, to be exact. So they have a separate hot water heating zone here in the basement. They used to have one before, but the difference is they never used the hot water coil. That's the right way to do things. They had a steam boiler and they cheated. Yeah, it works for a little bit, but what happens is you got a lot of sediment and a lot of mierda in the pipes, because that's what happens with steam boilers, and it clogs up and also ruins the circulating pump, and that's not the right way of doing things. No bueno, guys. So he's going to change the drain cock for a relief valve. Notice that the expansion tank right here is in the middle. Notice that the air separator is right here. Everything matters. Every space matters. Everything is thought out. Everything is thought out from the beginning, where it's going to go, because we have limited room. I mean, if you guys can see right here in the camera, I mean, we only got maybe like a foot and a half, maybe on the right-hand side. And you always want to think about the future, right? You want to think about servicing the boiler. It needs to be serviced. You got to think about cleaning out the boiler. So all these things matter. We have a reverse header, you guys can see here. So make sure we don't have any wet steam going up. We don't want no banging. What else? Also, not only that we have these nipples coming off from the top of the boiler, the takeoff, or the going into the reverse header, but you notice it's high enough that you can actually take off the cover to do service. Guys, you always got to think about the next man, the next guy. The chances are, if you install the boiler, in this case we installed it, chances are we're going to be back and we're going to be scratching our head and scratching our ball and saying, what the hell happened? So guys, always pay attention to detail. Detail always matters. So guys, you're going to see the finished product momentarily, but give Tony a little chance to finish up, wrapping up. We got to clean up, vacuum, and that's part of the gig, guys. We got to clean up after ourselves and making sure that that customer's happy and everything's clean. So guys, stay tuned, because, hey, when you see the before, you see the after, I think you're going to say, wow, what a great job, Louie. But it's not just about me. It's about my team. My team gets all the credit because they're just the one who installed and do all the heavy lifting, all the heavy work. I just do all the blah, 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 blah. But guys, stay tuned. Wepa.
I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, all winter long. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and I am your boiler man. Wepa! I'm the boiler man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call Louie your boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, all winter long. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man.
Bro, you know what? I did a fuck up. I did a boo-boo, and I gotta admit to it. So, you know what I mean? So I put it out there because somebody brought it to my attention. I was like, I didn't see it. I'll be honest with you, my guys were out there doing the job, they're busting ass. So they piped in the header incorrectly and they made a trap, which we're gonna correct. And actually, I'll be honest with you, I've been busy all day. I've actually went to the job site, just took a quick video and I left. And I didn't even really check, to be honest with you. But listen, you gotta admit the truth, and I did fuck up. And I should have checked. You know. But listen, guys make mistakes. They made a mistake. It's a long day. It was a last-minute install that the customer wanted, so we have to fix it. So what did I do wrong? I piped in the header incorrectly, and well, I'd say my team. So I take fault of it because I should be I'm the captain, right? So I screwed up because I dropped the ball. I should have checked. But we're gonna fix that. But the header is incorrect. We made a trap. We gotta fix it. Mi gente! Oh man, I feel like I'm getting crucified for this. Nah, I'm kidding. You know what? I understand because I drew it out in such a way because I did it vertical. I didn't do it horizontal the first time. So I fixed that so everybody, you guys can see. So, yes, I did it horizontal so it's clearer now how it's supposed to be piped in. So yes, the equalizer has to be on the same length or same height as the run. And yeah, I'm gonna show you right now how it gets done. But I made a mistake to begin with. And hey, listen, I'm having one of those days. What can I tell you? I'm having one of those moments. But I'm not the best drawer. But you guys catch my drift, right? So I don't know if it's coming out backwards on the other side of the camera, but I'm gonna show you momentarily, guys. But guys, don't crucify me, bro. I fucked up. Yeah, I know. I dropped the ball. It is what it is. But I got the wherewithal to prove it, to say that I did it, man, because I fucked up. Hey, listen, it happens. We all make mistakes, but I take full responsibility because I should have known better. But I want to show you guys this drawing because he didn't understand the first drawing. It's because I ran out of room, so I did it horizontal. So check it out. Reverse header, drop in header. Get your T here, your little baby manifold. There's the run. Then you have your T's here, and you have your equalizer here. So he got confused because I had it go up and over. It's because I had only so much room in the paper. But this is basically the run. This equalizer has to be the same height as this run right here. Why? Makes sense. Steam is going this way. Steam is going up to the riser, 1 and 2. Condensation goes down the equalizer. On top of your Hartford loop, returns right back to your boiler. And this is your return coming from your house. All right, guys. You have any questions? Call me. The HVAC Papi. Wepa. So, yes. Shit happens. Even the pros make mistakes. You know why? And he called me out on it. And I was like, fuck, bro, I didn't even see it. So, hey, it is what it is, guys. But you know what? The good thing is, you gotta admit that you're wrong. You dropped the ball. I dropped the ball. And hey, you know what I mean? My guys messed up, but I take fault for them. So, as the boss, I think as the leader, you know what I mean? You gotta know when you're wrong. I'm wrong, and I don't want to blame my guys. I blame myself because I should have known better. You know what? So this is what happens when you have good friends. People that are professional, listen, we make mistakes. So it is what it is. But we're going to fix it, and they'll bring up some heat, baby. Wepa!
I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Till the cold is gone. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man. Till the cold is gone. Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, y está caliente. Louie the Boiler Man is here to cool me, gente. It's hot outside and it's gonna get hotter. On New York Boiler, we'll cool your casa. 516-377-5200 and Louie, who you mentioned. Wepa!